thokozani ka mako kganya lesedi khotso e be le batho ka lebitso le letle la Jesu Kriste ya re shwetseng dibi a re pholosa ra tseba mohau ka lebaka la lebitso la gagwe. Guys, ke Gogo Manzini ka Mozontre ka mo. Guys, again today I like to share with you again ne o tlo ya ko barakeng, o tlo ya ka mo di herbal shopong. Ha o fitla ko di herbal shopong o tlo mpatlela this mpukane o tlo mpatlela yona is like this, okay? And then o tlo mpatlela mpepo on this mpepo Luona is the similar like this one, okay? Then you're going to buy this too, and then you are going to buy this. You're going to buy this your bay leaves. Motho a sa itsebeng, this is my bay leaves. I don't know how can I show you, okay? This is my bay leaves. You're going to buy this ne ya ka batsadi e robegile yona ka bo yona ne is so is either how kreile e golonyana e hantle, you can write on top of it. But if ever o sa thola e golo o thotse e kareng sizu yena ya ka you are going to write the amount of the money that you need. This is my amount of the money that I'm looking for. All right guys, can you see? Yeah, then ke tlo ngwala okay, nna ke batla tšhelete e itseng ke lebitso la ka, ke tšhelete ke lebitso la ka. Okay, fine. Why I'm doing on the paper because of bay leaves ya ka e shantlehile yona self. Okay, now this is my stove. This is my stove. As you can see, I'm using Prima stove because of electricity, guys. Okay, I have already lighted it on, and then I have my white candle. When I do this, I must first light my candle. Okay, let me just quickly. This is my candle. I have my everything now, and then I'm going to try to light my candle. Oh, candle anyway. I light my candle first, and then I put it nicely. All right. Okay, I'll make a plan after. Okay, got my everything right. Then I have my cinnamon powder. Then I have put my stove on. My plate is on. Then now I'm going to do like this. I'm going to take my paper because of explaining so my bay leaf yaga somehow. Then yeah, I have this, and then I will started taking a pinch of this, put on the stove, and then put that, and then I take my cinnamon, I pour my cinnamon, and then I will also light this. I will also light my mpukane and pepper. Yeah, the lighter. That's it. That's so wonderful. And then my bay leaves is burning. Now my two pepper and pukane, they are on, as you can see, guys. So I'm just going to put it there. I started commenting wherever I supposed to get the money, wherever whoever in my business, the business that I'm doing, I need a 10K into my account. I need clients to start remembering me now. I'm connecting, I'm calling money everywhere, I'm calling the clients everywhere, even on my workplace. I send whatever you can say, guys. On my workplace, I sent a different challenges. I want to see my wallet full of money. I want to see myself happy every end of the month from now on. As I'm talking to you, badimo baka ba hatakalo, badimo baka ba hamarelese, badimo ba mfukeng, badimo ba takalo bantwana, I connect with you as I'm burning these bay leaves. Ke kopa everywhere that I knock, the door must started opening for me. As you can see, guys, let me just quick do this. This is my stuff, this is my bay leaves. As you can see, they are burning, then I'm just calling money, I'm just calling everything, I'm calling miracle money into my bank account, I'm calling miracle clients into my house, I'm calling like this, the job that I'm working, I really need money, I need joy, I need change. Whatever you are asking for, you are asking for money, you are asking for love, you are asking for everything. You just ask for everything. But remember, guys, when you do this kind of rituals, please don't do it anytime. No, I was just doing an example. Wake up at 12 o'clock. I want you to wake up at 12 o'clock and prepare this. At 12 o'clock, you must manifest that today is a new day. I need a new me. I need a new bank account that will never, ever, ever lack money. We are going to do it at 12 o'clock, okay? At 12 o'clock, you burn everything. Then, after your bay leaves are burnt, right? We are going to wait for the plat to cool up so that you can take the dust. The dust, you are going to take it and you put it on your hands. Then you go outside. You look at your front door. At your front door, you just look that side. Then all the mixture that you burnt, it is here, right? Remember, your candle is on. Those two are still on, okay? Then you take that dust, the cinnamon powder, and your bay leaves, even your whatever paper, maybe you do it on your paper like me, is fine. Then you take that dust, you put it on your right hand, then o tlo ema ko ntlong ya heno or ko ha hao o shebile monyako wa ntlo ya heno kampo ntlo ya hao. Then you started saying money should know, and wherever the money must come from, money should know this house from now on, and the money should stay in this house from now on. Then whatever you can say, whatever you want your love, tell your love to come to that house, to come and get you, to come and marry you. Whatever you need a car, you must explain that car that I was asking for, it must allocate my house now. So I will drive that car, whatever the car that I wanted. And then after that, you blow. You see us that dust in front of your door. Please, if you do it, don't close the door. Open the door so that when you at least blow, even the dust can't go in, but the spiritual and the ancestors can get into your house. Then you are done with our direction. I'll be more happy if you come back, guys, and say, Mama, thank you, I have done this ritual, I have seen 1 2 3. Thank you is not money, guys. You can just buy me clothes, you can buy my children clothes. I'm not working, but you can. The thank you is different things. It's different things. Please understand. It's not that because of I am a sangoma, I'm chasing after money. Yes, money, I also want it, but my God and my ancestors will bless me on the right time. God bless you, South Africa. Thank you.